Hello there folks, welcome back to Goodfellas Garage. Today we're gonna find out how many lawyers does it take to plug a tire. Folks, my name is Al, this is Joe, we're both lawyers, and I'm mechanically inclined. Joe doesn't even know how to pump gas, so we're gonna see if he can plug his own tire. Let's do it. Alright, so the first step is taking the tire off. Let's see if we can manage that.
Thank you.
Go for it. There you go.
What a pain in the ass. I'm stuck on the road. All I have is one.
You see what's happening here? So here's the first problem that we ran into, folks. Right? We couldn't even get the lug nuts off the car. It's crazy.
Yeah, show.
This is
Show
insane.
the good people what's going on.
There's an aluminum. I mean, this is not unusual for Ford to put aluminum caps on lug nuts to make them look pretty, but this one has a cap that's really not fitted properly, so it slips. I mean, this is ridiculous.
We thought we stripped it.
We did strip it.
Well,
Yeah. Well, now the challenge is gonna be putting it back on. So, but I mean, your choice is fix a tire or have no lug nuts. I mean, I don't know. Yeah, you kind of need both. So.
I think you need both.
Yeah. Well, let's
Add chewing gum.
let's fix the leak and see where we go from here. All right.
Okay.
All right.
AAA is only a call away.
You think you can manage?
I could try.
Yeah. You want gloves?
No, that's okay. How many gloves for?
I don't know.
Just yanking it out, right?
Yep.
That's it?
Yep.
Just like that?
That just like that.
Uh-oh.
Go for it. Don't worry about it. Yeah.
Oh, it wasn't that big nail
No?
that I thought.
Well, we're gonna make a hole,
Yeah.
no matter what.
Okay.
So, folks, we're using the El Cheapo tire plugging kit, tire repair kit. We're gonna see if Joe can manage.
I can't.
Yeah. So first step is to use this tool to clean out the hole.
Right.
Yeah.
How would one do that? Just.
You just stick it in there.
Really?
All the way.
No way, dude.
Yes,
Really?
you have to make a big hole. Yeah.
Really?
Yes.
How far in?
All the way.
Are you kidding?
No, I'm not.
You kidding?
You know I'm not. Go for it. Yeah.
All the way?
You have to go in and out, in and out. Wow.
With this? Dude,
Like a man.
am I for real?
Yes,
Oh,
all the way in and out.
Hard.
Oh, very. Just keep twisting it. There you go. There you go.
All the way?
Up and down, up and down. See that those ridges in the it's like a sandpaper. You need to clean the.
I feel like this is bad. There's your problem.
You should drive like this.
Oh, jeez.
Yeah. So then
It's
there's
crying. I can hear it.
then there's this tool right here.
Yeah. I keep this in.
Yeah. So and then we're gonna use this plug.
Really,
I have a feeling that I'm gonna have to do the whole thing. You're just gonna be just standing there.
I'm trying not. It's so unnatural to me to stick a sharp object into a tire.
Well, you gotta break things before you fix them.
Yeah, I guess.
See, that's the problem with you, Joe. You being a lawyer, you never got your hands dirty.
That's right.
Yeah. So this, we're gonna have to stick this through here.
Okay.
All right. So now that this thing is halfway, okay.
I'm gonna go the rest.
So what you're gonna do is you're gonna pull this tool out, and you're gonna try to stick this all the way in there, halfway, so it folds like this.
Okay.
Almost there. Come on. You can do it. Oh my God, that's too far, Joe.
Really?
Yeah, you should. Holy shit.
It's all the way in.
No, you can't. You can't. You need to leave some stuff out so you can cut it out.
Oh.
Yeah. Well, maybe this will hold. So. So, folks, this show has been going on for the past hour.
It's been 40.
Well, now Joe's gonna attempt to put the tire back on. Let's see how long this takes.
Oh, come on.
So we have been into this job about an hour and a half now. So
At least.
now we have to go to a parts store to buy lug nuts because we ruined the ones that were on the car.
No, Ford ruined the lug nuts.
Well, yeah.
What happened to us was unavoidable.
Okay, let's go with that.
It's an unavoidable
Okay. Consequence
situation
of engineering failures.
Not failure. They knew what they were doing.
Okay. Well, I mean, yeah. So. Yeah, we're on a field trip to a parts store, and then hopefully they have what we need. Otherwise,
I'm walking home.
I think Joe is SOL. So.
This answers the great philosophical question that you asked earlier.
How many loads does it take to to plug a tire? Yeah.
More than 2.
More than 2. Here's the problem. So now we went to the parts store. Of course, they don't have anything because Advanced Auto Parts is basically. I don't even know why they're still in business because they don't sell nothing,
Chad was nice though.
Chad was nice.
He's a pleasant fellow.
Yeah, pleasant fellow. I called the Ford dealer so they have them in stock. They're $10 a piece. $10 a piece for this.
For the same problem.
For the same. For you to replace the lug nuts and have the same issue, it's gonna cost you $50.
For me to be temporarily satisfied.
Yeah. This is only one wheel, so I mean, we're talking.
That's $100. No, it's $200.
$200 to replace all of them. Yeah. This is crazy. All right, folks. So after a trip to a dealer, we got our Christmas gifts. We got our
ornaments.
We got our ornaments. We got our lug nuts.
Made of the same.
Made out of the
tinsel.
same garbage that the old ones are made of. Just these are what I call single use lug nuts. You put them on and that's it. So it's a one-time use. It's like a condom.
That's right. Well, is it?
Yeah.
I didn't know that.
Yeah. So you put them on and then maybe they protect you, maybe not. Yeah. So we're on the way back home. This is what, 3 hours, right? We were on hour 3. Yeah.
I got to your place like 10:45.
So what time is it now? Yeah, there you go. It's almost 2 o'clock. Okay, we'll see you at the house.
For a plug.
Yeah. Yeah, folks, we're back at the house. So Joe is taking off the old busted lug nuts, and we got some new nuts here. And hopefully we don't run into the same problem. folks, it took
3 hours.
It took 3 hours. 3 hours to plug a tire. 3 hours.
Answers the question.
2 lawyers. 3 hours. 1 tire. 5 busted lug nuts.
$50 later.
$50 later. Thanks for watching. Bye.